Are you ready to take your photo editing skills to the next level? In this tutorial, we will show you how to create precise selections by using the pen tool in Photopea, a powerful and versatile online photo editing software. The pen tool is a fantastic tool for creating detailed and accurate selections. Whether you need to isolate an object, remove a background, or create a complex shapes, the pen tool has got you covered. To access the pen tool, on the left, you can see there's a pen option. Just select this. Now to make a selection, you need to make sure that you turn off the fill and the stroke as well. Now we have this image. Let's take copy of this. Select the background and load this layer and select this layer 1. Now to make a selection, you need to make sure that you are using the pen. You need to zoom in by holding the Alt key and scroll up. Now to make a selection, just click on the edge point and start making the selection. You can select it and you can drag it down to make it curve. Now to remove this curve, just hit the Alt key and click on the point. Now let's go select in the other part. As we have a curve at this point, let's start making a curve. And just like that. Now to remove this curve, select the Alt key and click on the point. Now I'll continue making the selection at the edge points. If you want to make some changes, for example, if I want to cover this area, I will hold the Control key and move it to the place where I want. You can do the same with the other one as well. And just like that, you can use these handles to adjust the curves. Let's move on. And I'll be selecting this. Let's finish this up. Now we have made the outer lineup for our selection. And now right click on this image and click on make selection. Now select this selection, just hit on OK. Now by keep on selecting this, let's move on to the layer and click on mask. And there you have it. We have removed our background by using this. You can also remove these background. For that, let's create a mask for this one as well. Now we have made this selection, right click on it and make selection. Now select this image, go to the brush mode, increase the size and remove it. Let's do the same with the other one as well. From this part, this one as well. As you can see, we are done with our selection. Now you can simply select this image, or you can add the solid layer. For example, right? Now if I select this image, go to that, and then select the multiply. And now with this, we can change its color as well. Also, you can add the background layer as well. Just add the solid color, grayish, and then bring it back. And that's how you can make a selection and remove the background or add some shape and make some other things as well. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.